Which is the state bird Punjab? Answer Northern Goshak. Which is the state bird Maharashtra? Answer yellow footed green pigeon. Which is the state bird of Tamil Nadu? Answer emailer dove. Which is the state bird of Nagaland? Answer black strakpon. Which is the state bird of Telangana? Answer Indian roller. Which is the state bird of Assam? Answer white winged wood duck. Which is the state bird of Meghalaya? Answer hill myna. Which is the state bird of Rajasthan? Answer great Indian bustard. Which is the state bird of Madhya Pradesh? Answer Indian pardis flycatcher. Which is the state bird of Tripura? Answer green imperial pigeon. Which is the state bird of Sikkim? Answer blood peasant. Which is the state bird of Odisha? Answer Indian roller. Which is the state of Bird Mizoram? Answer Mrs. Himes peasant. Which is the state bird of Gujarat? Answer greater flamingo. Which is the state bird of Jharkhand? Answer Asian quail. Which is the state bird of Kerala? Answer greated hornbill. Which is the state bird of Uttarakhand? Answer Himalayan monal. Which is the state bird of Chhattisgarh? Answer hill myna. Which is the state bird of Haryana? Answer black furnaculin. Which is the state bird of Karnataka? Answer Indian roller. Which is the state bird of Goa? Answer flame-throated bulbul. Which is the state bird of Andhra Pradesh? Answer rose-ringed parakeet. Which is the state bird of Bihar? Answer house sparrow. Which is the state bird of Himachal Pradesh? Answer western tragapan. Which is the state bird of Arunachal Pradesh? Answer greater hornbill.